Making money online has become a popular way to earn income from the comfort of your own home or anywhere with an internet connection. If the last few years has taught us anything, it is that you shouldn't rely on one source of income, as your situation can quickly take a turn for the worst. Making money online can be a great way to supplement your primary income or even become your main income. There are countless opportunities to make money online. And in this video, we will be going over some ways you can make money online and potentially replace your job. But before we dive into the topic, hello, and welcome back to our channel, The Wealth Shack. If you're new here, please like and subscribe, and have already subscribed, thank you for your continued support. On this channel, we are helping hardworking people like you to get more out of your hard-earned money by showing you how to use your money in the most effective way. With that being said, let's dive into the video. Here are some of the ways you can make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a growing trend where people work independently as self-employed contractors for various clients. The freelancing industry has grown rapidly in recent years, thanks to the internet, which has made it easier for freelancers to find work and communicate with clients. Examples of popular freelance niches are bookkeeping, web designing, graphic designing, and copywriting. One of the main benefits of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. Freelancers have the freedom to choose their working hours, location, and even the projects they work on. This means they can work when it suits them and create a schedule that fits around their personal and family commitments. Another benefit of freelancing is the potential to earn more money than in traditional employment. Freelancers can set their own rates and negotiate fees with clients, which can result in higher earnings than a salaried employee. Additionally, freelancers can take on multiple projects simultaneously, thereby increasing their income streams. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where a company or brand pays affiliates a commission for promoting their products or services. Affiliates promote the products or services to their audience through various channels, such as blogs, social media, or email marketing. One of the main benefits of affiliate marketing is that it is a low-risk, low-cost business model. Affiliate marketing does not require affiliates to have their own products or services to sell, nor does it require them to invest in inventory or product development. Instead, affiliates earn a commission for promoting someone else's products, which means they can earn money without a significant upfront investment. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is the flexibility it offers. Affiliates can work from anywhere and at any time, making it a popular option for people who want to earn money while working from home or while traveling. Affiliate marketing also provides the potential for passive income. Once an affiliate has created and promoted their content, such as blog posts or videos, the content can continue to generate traffic and sales long after it was created. This means affiliates can earn money from their content for months or even years to come, without any additional effort on their part. 3. Investing. Online investing is a popular way for individuals to invest in various financial markets using internet-based platforms. These platforms allow investors to purchase and sell stocks, bonds, crypto, and other assets online, making it easier and more accessible for people to participate in the stock market. One of the main benefits of online investing is the convenience it offers. Investors can access their investment accounts anytime, anywhere, using a computer, tablet, or smartphone. This means they can monitor their investments, make trades, and access real-time market information at their convenience. The ease of access to financial markets has allowed more people to participate in investing, which was once only available to the wealthy. With that being said, online investing also has its risks. One of the main risks is the potential for fraud and scams. Investors must be vigilant in researching and verifying the legitimacy of online brokers and investment opportunities. There is also the risk of losing money in the markets due to volatility and other market forces. Another risk of online investing is the potential for human error. Investors must take responsibility for their own investment decisions and may make mistakes when trading or managing their portfolio. This could result in significant financial losses if not managed properly. 4. Selling products online. Another way to make money online is by selling products online. This can be digital or physical products. Selling physical products online can be a lucrative way to start a business or expand an existing one. With the growth of e-commerce, selling physical products online has become increasingly accessible with various online marketplaces, such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy, as well as standalone e-commerce websites, allowing businesses the opportunity to sell a wide variety of physical products directly to customers. You can sell physical products that you create yourself, or you could go down the route of drop shipping. What is drop shipping, you may ask? Suppose you want to start an online store selling phone cases. Instead of purchasing a large quantity of phone cases up front and storing them in a warehouse, you decide to use drop shipping to manage inventory and fulfillment. You find a drop shipping supplier who offers a wide variety of phone cases at competitive prices. You then create an online store and list the phone cases from your supplier on your website. When a customer places an order for a phone case on your website, you purchase the phone case from your supplier and provide them with the customer's shipping information. The supplier then ships the phone case directly to the customer, and you keep the difference between the price you charge the customer and the price you paid your supplier as your profit. With drop shipping, you can sell a wide variety of phone cases without having to purchase them upfront or manage inventory and fulfillment. Instead, you simply list the products on your website and let your supplier handle the rest. This can be a cost-effective and efficient way to manage an e-commerce business, particularly for small businesses or entrepreneurs who may not have the resources to manage inventory and fulfillment on their own. You can also go down the route of selling digital products. Selling digital products involves the sale and distribution of intangible goods that can be downloaded or accessed online. This can include ebooks, music, software, and other digital products. Digital products can be sold and distributed infinitely, without the need for additional production costs or inventory management. Additionally, digital products can be easily updated and improved upon, allowing businesses to adapt to changing market demands. As with affiliate marketing, the income received from these products has the potential to be passive. Once your digital product has been created, the content can continue to generate traffic and sales long after it was created. This means that you can earn money from digital products for months or even years to come, without any additional effort on your part. Selling both physical and digital products is a great way to make money online and one where you can keep scaling. 5. Online surveys. Online surveys are a popular way for individuals to earn extra income from the comfort of their own home. Online surveys involve sharing opinions and providing feedback on various products, services, and topics in exchange for payment. One of the primary benefits of completing online surveys for income is the flexibility. Individuals can complete surveys on their own schedule, allowing them to earn extra income while balancing other commitments such as work or family obligations. To conclude, it is important to keep in mind that making money online requires effort and dedication, just like any other job. It's important to approach it with a long-term mindset and to be persistent in your efforts. With the right mindset and approach, making money online can be a great way to achieve financial independence and escape the traditional rat race. That is it for today. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this.